The PhraseExpress server has retired. To migrate your old installation with the PhraseExpress server to the new version, proceed as follows. Exit the old PhraseExpress client. Install the new PhraseExpress client. While the server has retired, the new PhraseExpress version can still load the PhraseExpress server to allow you migrating your data. First, we create a new local phrase file. You can create either a new phrase file or use the default phrase file. Very important, make sure to load it as an additional phrase file. Okay, the local phrase file has been added to the tree. If you don't need the sample phrases, you can easily delete them. So highlight one phrase and press Ctrl A to select all, and then press Delete to delete the phrases. You can also empty the trash bin. We now have the PhraseExpress server node and the new local phrase file. To migrate your data, simply select all phrases you wish to migrate, or all phrases if you press Ctrl A, and then copy it to the clipboard. So with right click, select Copy. Now switch over to the local phrase file node, and again right click, and now paste the phrases. The phrases are now copied from the PhraseExpress server to the local phrase file, and you now don't need the phrase file node of the server anymore. So right click and select Unload. Now open the PhraseExpress client manager of the PhraseExpress server. Switch over to license keys. If you have license keys with remaining maintenance, highlight all and press Ctrl X to cut them into the clipboard. And then press Update to deregister the license key from your PhraseExpress server. Perfect. Now exit the client manager and you can now uninstall the PhraseExpress server because it's not needed anymore. You can now set up network or cloud sharing. This is described in the documentation, and we do just a quick round here. So select the phrase file node, click File, Sync phrases with others, select the first to share your phrases with others, select a synchronization directory, either on a network drive or in any cloud service. Let's choose OneDrive for this example. And now PhraseExpress copies the sync data to the synchronization folder and offers you to use your license keys to distribute them to all users participating in the cloud synchronization. Simply paste the license keys you copied from the PhraseExpress server into this input box, and once you press Close, the local PhraseExpress client will automatically register the license key, and all other users who will join the shared phrases will also get a license. So you don't need to move from place to place to register the license keys locally. That's it.